Hello people! Some owner of Lada 2106 came to me for carburetor repair. Look at this really good color of spark plugs, almost perfectly. The rubber ring of idle mixture screw is absolutely dead here. And look at this! I just opened a carb petrol filter. All plastic of it is disappeared. Only a metal grid is stayed here and continue to work. Symbolic, of course. Petrol smells here like hell. And look how much trash is here. Car have 1.3 liters engine, the Chinese carburetor called LSA. It looks like a copy of USSR carburetor OZON 2105. The owner of this car tried to repair it, but he made some extra problems by deforming auxiliary venturi of second barrel. Even so, this venturi have no leaks in contact point with emulsion tube channel, thanks to springs. So with middle part of carb we have almost no problems. But the fuel jet of first barrel is not 107 but 112. I checked it with calipers. And the air jet have some problems. It's a pity I repaired it and after that decided to make a video. So they was drilled not to the end. My caliper 1.7mm can't go through it. Maybe it was some around 1.5 or 1.6mm, so I had to use force to push it through. As a result, the inside parasite layer of metal came out from the channel. And now these air jets have real 1.7mm size. So when you will buy some Chinese carb, you may discover these jets' problems. Be sure that it is not a Slovakia. The fuel jet of second barrel is 170 instead of 162. As a result, with these jet combinations, we have more power and less mileage. The emulsion tubes is standard one. The auxiliary venturi of a first barrel also standard. It have typical marking like in other Chinese carburetors. Fuel level in flow chamber is normal. The accelerating pump nozzle direction of stream is good. It sprays in front of throttle axle. The idle system fuel jet and transition system fuel jet is normal. And here we have one of the biggest troubles of this carb. Look at the first throttle. Where's my flashlight? Here. Look at this big gap. The gap of other side is normal, and from another side. And now look how it cracked. That's why I thought, why engine have some strange reactions for idle regulatings? Because of extra air. The owner of this carb installed this strange thing in carb. One of it was broken. The part of it fall on the throttle and made these deformations. The throttle of a second barrel is okay, and other features of this carb is normally, except few small problems. Now I have to repair the throttle of first barrel, change auxiliary venturi of second barrel, and finish the rebuild. The main fuel jets and air jets I will not change. I see that the engine likes them. And it's some mystery for me, because this combination should make rich mixture, but color of spark plugs is really good. I think that the reason of this is in size of main venturies. The USSR 21mm main venturis was a little bit smaller than real 21mm. The pneumatic drive of a second barrel works just perfectly. The tightness of it not changed for 10 years. I'm surprised that acceleration pump diaphragm still alive with so horrible quality of petrol. Maybe Chinese quality is better than I think. I'm really surprised. The middle and bottom parts of this carb is collected. Everything is nice. I begin to repair top part of it. New filter, I hope it will not melt. And here I got new Chinese trouble. The cork was broken with soft force. I thought that screw thread is broken, and it was true, but in other place, in cork. And one more trouble in pneumatic drive of a cold start system. The regulating screw is fall into the vacuum chamber. In such cases, this screw is piercing the diaphragm and we have cold start troubles. The owner of the car confirmed it. And now first start after rebuild.
Первый пробный запуск, ничего лишнего не подключаем. Ну что, заводите. О, даже холодный работает. Так, ну что, глушите, соберем.
And now a little test ride.
Що, нормальок їде?
Отлично. Отлично. Отлично, мне нравится.
Ну і порядок. Поїхали тоді на гараж. Тут наліво, да.
Сейчас
І ще наліво, да. Угу.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be happy if you will subscribe my channel and write one comment. And see you next video. Wish you all the best.